Welcome. Today, we're diving into Ansible Inventory, essential for managing hosts in automation. Think of it as your contact list for IT operations. Whether static or dynamic, inventory helps scale tasks efficiently. Stick around, because understanding this is key to simplifying automation. Ready? Let's get started. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ansible Inventory is your roadmap to automation. It's like a well-organized guest list. Without it, your playbooks wouldn't know who to invite. It defines nodes and formats, ensuring seamless execution. We'll break it down step by step, so even if YAML scares you, don't worry. We've got this. Static vs dynamic. It's the classic tale of predictability versus adaptability. Static inventory is stable, like a pre-written guest list, while dynamic inventory is flexible, adjusting to new hosts automatically. Cloud environments thrive with dynamic setups. Which one suits you? Let's find out. The default inventory file sits at /etc/ansible/hosts, ready to store your host definitions. But don't worry, it's customizable. You can override it to fit project needs. Think of it like your favorite playlist. You set the order for optimal performance. Connecting to a remote host via SSH is like ringing someone's doorbell. Except, if done right, you never get locked out. First, make sure SSH is properly installed and configured. Instead of fumbling with passwords, use SSH keys for authentication. Always double-check the username and host name. Getting them wrong is like sending a letter to the wrong address. And finally, test your connection before diving into your work, so you don't end up debugging in frustration. Managing multiple inventory sources is like keeping track of guests at a party. You don't want to mix up who belongs where. Define separate inventory files for different environments. Need cloud-based hosts? Dynamic inventory scripts have got your back. Grouping hosts logically makes tasks more manageable, and Ansible's inventory plugins help automate the entire process. So, think of it like party planning, except with less cake and more YAML. The Ansible Inventory command is your secret detective tool. It helps you investigate your setup like Sherlock Holmes. You can list available hosts and groups quickly. The JSON output ensures the data is well-structured and easy to parse. Validation prevents nasty configuration errors that could turn your playbook into a horror story. And filtering specific hosts or groups means you can target exactly who you need. No magnifying glass required. Good inventory management is like keeping your workspace tidy. Organized files make life easier. Always use a structured format, so everything is clear. Regular updates and documentation ensure you don't leave behind a messy trail. Variables help keep configurations simple, so you're not rewriting the same details repeatedly. And for the sensitive data, encryption is your best friend. Think of it like locking your valuables in a safe. Troubleshooting inventory issues is like fixing a leaky faucet. Small mistakes can cause a big mess. Start by checking the syntax of your inventory files. If things aren't working, verify connectivity to make sure hosts are reachable. Use Ansible Inventory to dig into problems and see what's wrong. And don't forget to double-check group and variable assignments. It's like making sure the screws are tightened properly before using a tool. That's a wrap. Managing Ansible Inventory may seem complex, but with the right approach, it's like organizing your favorite playlist. Everything has its place. Remember best practices. Explore dynamic inventory sources, and use Ansible Inventory when troubleshooting. Keep your inventory files structured and secure, and you'll have a smooth ride ahead. Now go forth and automate. Just don't forget to have fun along the way. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.